All right, guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. Now, this episode is just going to be a brief update on my build, as well as a surprise I got for the shop. But first thing is, you can see in the background, I have the 1950 Chevy Bomber. I am not going to be working on it. Basically, it is now currently up for sale. I don't want to waste my time trying to put it together. I wouldn't say a waste of time, but it's not what my channel is going for. All right, I want to be able to fix current cars that you guys can relate to, things of that sort. So I will not be working on this car. If you are interested in this car, shoot me an email down here and down below. Let me know if you're interested. I'll get you some more photos. I'll get you video. I'll get you information on it. Selling it at a good price. It's a great project car if you want to work on something. Now, you guys see my other previous videos. I do have a box trailer or a car hauler. That one I'm going to be redoing here shortly. So that's on the list. I also have an RV that I picked up, as you guys saw in the past previous videos. The RV I am not videotaping because the RV is basically for me to keep. It's a personal vehicle, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to watch minor maintenance and repairs on an RV. But if you're interested, shoot me a comment, let me know, and I'll start videotaping it. But right now, there won't be any videos on the RV. I also picked up a Volvo that had some door damage. It's not at this shop, it's at a second location that I have. You will be seeing that in a few weeks. I did order parts for it, so as soon as I get it, we're going to be stripping doors out and start working on it hardcore. I do have that Escalade with hail damage. I'm waiting for the hood. Once I get the hood in, then we're going to start stripping that, putting the body parts back on there. I'm going to show you how to pull some minor hail damage out, basically what to do to fix the vehicle of that sort. And then what other vehicles do I have? That's it. I got the Mustangs up for sale. I have the Porsche. The Porsche I probably won't try and sell till January. I enjoy both cars. They're super fast. If you're interested, again, shoot me an email about those two vehicles, and I'll let you know how much I'm selling those for. And then I believe that's about it for projects. But the surprise I got right now is behind me right here in this box. All right. Now, I was watching another YouTuber, and they received something from one of their fans, and it was a little bit hard to see who it was, but I was able to track down the person who did it, contacted them, and I had them make me something custom. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, show you what I got and who I got it from. All right, so let's get going. Bam, and you're welcome. All right, guys, here it is. So I ended up getting a Blue Line flag. I am retired law enforcement, so I wanted my flag, of course, which is why I got the Blue Line in there. And basically, I sent this guy my logo, told him exactly what I wanted, and it looks beautiful. So where the white is, you got the marble going in there. You got the logo right up front. I don't know if I want to put this in my office or in the garage. But the person who made this is M for Max on YouTube. So look him up, find out who he is. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. He has lots of videos on him making this. So basically, this is multiple layers of work that he's done. He hand painted the blue line. Some of it is stickers, some of it's hand painted. There's multiple layers of epoxy on this, and this is great. I mean, this is real. This is like glass in there, and you could even see that there's depth in there as well. And he basically communicated with me very well, showed me what he was doing with this, worked with me step by step. Communication was great. Like I said, M for Max. His information is going to be right here down below. Make sure you go to his channel. Make sure you like. If you're interested in something like this, get a hold of him. He does awesome work. The packaging was above none. He even packaged it with some of this insulation foam, which I might actually even use and put up in my garage door. So I even got a little treat right there. But like I said, M for Max does a great job. You know what I mean? The other YouTuber didn't mention him at all. He does great work, and he needs to be recognized for it. And hopefully you go and check him out. But this is great. I mean, look at this. This is like glass, as you can see. This is awesome. Did great work. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. I gave you a little bit of update. I showed you my little treat. This was a present for myself. Affordable, like I said, just contact him if you want to get something done as well. And basically stay tuned. I'm going to have some videos coming out fairly soon. I'm just basically trying to organize some of my builds and organize my shop so I can start working on the next car. All right, make sure you subscribe, share my channel with others. Let's get this done. Hey, I also forgot, he even puts his logo on the back. Awesome. And he signs it. And also I just wanted to show you the material in the back. This is great hardwood right here, very professional done. I could hang this up anywhere I want, and it's solid. It's solid. You're not getting no rinky-dink stuff here, man. You're getting some primo stuff. All right, that's it. Peace out.